No matter how good a product promises to be, it is possible that it is not still going to work for everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 reasons why brightening oils do not work for you, no matter the product you use. So if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Beautiful Jenny. Thank you for stopping by. I'm super excited to see you here. So just like I said, I am going to be telling you 3 reasons why brightening body oils do not work for you, do not give you the result that you expect it to give you. Just like I said from the beginning, no matter how a product seems to be very good, no matter how it seems to be hyped or it has worked for people that you know, if you get it, it is possible that it is not going to work for you. Now, the product itself is not the problem. Okay, I'm going to be telling you the things you need to know. These things are very important for you to know. So let's go. Thank you for joining me. I'm super duper excited to have you here today. So reason number 1 is choosing the right ingredients in the perfect consistency for your skin. Let me rephrase. Choosing the right skincare ingredient in the perfect consistency for your skin. Now here I have 2 body oils here. This is Disaar body oil and this is the veet body oil. Is almost out. Now these 2 body oils have different consistency. Let me explain from the first phrase of the reason, choosing the right skincare ingredient. So let's say you want to brighten up your skin and you have chosen to use either carrot oil, you've chosen to use papaya, you've chosen to use maybe a combination of both, vitamin C oil, whatever brightening skincare ingredient that you have deemed fit to use to brighten up your skin. So that is route number 1. But the wrong thing people do, or the mistake a lot of you do, is that you just say, oh, I want carrot oil, and then you go to market, look on the shelves, and then you look for one carrot oil, probably someone or I have talked about or someone recommended for you, or even the store owner recommended for you. You just pick it up just based on the skincare ingredient you are looking for. Do you understand? You are not you are not paying attention to the consistency of that particular product. Now, the consistency of a particular product is going to determine if it is going to penetrate into your skin and work for you. Now, I need you to understand that skins differ. I can use a thick oil and it is going to work for me. You can use a thick oil and it is not going to work for you. You can use a lightweight oil, it is going to work for you. I might use a lightweight oil, it is not going to work for me. So the same attention you pay to the skincare ingredients you want to get, pay the same attention to the consistency, to the texture of the product you are getting. So you need to understand your skin. What works for my skin? Does my skin like thick products? Does my skin like lightweight products? Okay, there are some skins that prefer very thick products. So if you give it a lightweight product, it is not going to work. Now, what happens is, if you give it a lightweight product, it's either the lightweight product dries out very fast. It doesn't stay on the surface of your skin or in the layers of your skin to actually give your skin the benefits it requires. Hence, your less result experience. So I hope this is clear. So the next time you want to get a brightening body oil, whether Veetgold body oil, whether Tara Veet body oil, whether Disaar body oil, no matter the body oil it is, make sure that you put the consistency in mind, because different body oils have different consistency. Some body oils come really lightweight and some body oils come thicker. Know the one that your skin wants. So choose the skincare ingredient and also be conscious of the consistency you are getting your body oils. Some people, if they use body oil that is thick, it just stays on their skin, and by the time they wear their clothes and all of those things, it is just going to plaster back on your dress. It doesn't penetrate into their skin. And there are some other people, thick body oils really penetrates and stays, hydrates and moisturizes and locks in moisture for them. Know where you belong. Our skins are different. If there's a message I've been really trying to pass to you, my audience, since a few months now, is for you to understand that skins are different. What my skin can absorb, your skin cannot absorb it. What your skin can absorb, my skin cannot absorb it. If you make peace with that, then your skincare journey is going to be perfect. If you like this reason number 1 and you think that it makes sense, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Leave a comment and tell me your experience with brightening body oils. I love to hear from you. Now, do you know that there are people that carrots, papaya, vitamin C darkens them? Did you know? If your skin keeps getting darker every time you have done everything you know, you have used all the brightening skincare ingredients that you have been told to use, and your skin still keeps getting darker, it is possible that your skin is reacting to the brightening products you are using. I had a client that consulted me for personal skincare consultation, and in the course of me talking with her and trying to understand her skin and guiding her, I found out that carrots, papaya, vitamin C darkens her. And then I helped her to build a new strategy, a new skincare routine around certain skincare ingredients that I thought that her skin liked, and it clicked. It works. It happens that her skin reacts to anything bright, anything that has vitamin C, whether in form of carrots, whether in form of papaya, anything that just has vitamin C. Her skin reacts to it and she gets darker. Do you understand? So now, my reason number 2 is this. Understand your skin. That a product is said to be brightening does not mean that it does not mean that it is going to brighten your skin. Now, this is what I did for her. I prescribed a product that has niacinamide, a product that has argan, hyaluronic acid, chamomile. Her skin likes hydrating, super hydrating things. And as she started that routine, her skin started to blossom, her skin started to glow, her skin started to bright, and the radiance of her skin, general skin, just improved. I was surprised. I was surprised because her skin condition was actually very, very, different from everything I had handled at the moment. But yes, these were the ingredients that works for her. Now, it can be that your skin looking darker, which is making you to look for a brightening product. It's not that your skin is darker, it's just that your skin is dull. It's just that your skin is dehydrated. And what your skin needs at the moment is super hydrating, moisture retaining, hydration retaining ingredients. Okay, even in form of oil. So for her, instead of prescribing carrot oil, papaya oil, vitamin C oil, I prescribed argan oil for her. I prescribe products that have chamomile, that have olive in them. Her skin likes gentle. Her skin likes gentle things that are going to enhance her skin's complexion. And this might be your problem. This might be the challenge that you are having. You are using the wrong skincare ingredients to treat your skin issue. So make sure that your skin accepts the skincare ingredients you are giving to it. So this is my reason number 2 why your brightening body oils are not working for you. And I'm going to be giving a bonus tip. It just came to my mind now. It's not in my script, but it just came to my mind now to talk about this thing. I believe this one is really going to help somebody. We're going to talk about it after we talk about the third reason. Now, reason number 3 why brightening body oils do not work for your skin is that not everybody's skin accepts body oils. Okay, just like what I said from the beginning, our skins are different, and at the point you begin to understand that, at the point you begin to accept that, the better and the faster your skincare journey is going to be. Now, there are some people that their skin loves only oils. I've seen people that tell me, oh, I don't use lotions. Anytime I use body lotions, my skin reacts. My skin loves just body oils. And when they use any type, any form, even if it's coconut oil, their skin is going to be glittering. Their skin is going to be glowing. That's the form of their skin. Now, there are other people that their skins do not like body oil, and they have not found this out. Now, the reason why that brightening oil you bought might not be working for you might be that your skin does not like body oil. Our skin likes what it likes. Our skin reacts how it wants to react. You can train your skin, just like I said, you can train your skin to accept any type of skincare ingredient, but you need to understand the form it likes to accept it. Now, let's take vitamin C for example. Your skin might not like vitamin C body lotion, but your skin might like vitamin C oil. Your skin might not accept vitamin C in both lotion, in both oil form, but it might accept it in a soap form. Do you understand? So our skins are built differently. Even your sister, your brother, your skin is built differently from your siblings, from your parents. So understand that there are some people, instead of using a body oil, I would suggest you opt for squalane oil serum. Okay, instead of using a pure body oil, you can go for body serums. So it can be that your skin cannot absorb oils. It can be that it likes a mixture of, some liquid in an oil in an emulsion form before it can absorb it. Now, brightening oil is going to be useless to you if your skin does not absorb it, because if your skin does not absorb the nutrients, the ingredients in the brightening oil, there's no way it's going to brighten. If you just use it, your skin is just going to be shiny and show that you use body oil, but over time you're not going to be getting that brightening effect that other people are getting. Do you understand? So that is why there are some people, when it comes to brightening up your skin, you are going to need a combination of oil and lotion. There are some people, they just need body oils. There are some people, they just need lotion and soap. So these things differ. You just need to find where you really fall into. You need to find where your skin belongs and give it what it wants in the form that it wants. Now, the last tip that I said that just came to my mind that I wanted to talk about is brightening oils are not, how do I put it? They do not work the way they are advertised. Now, when you get a brightening oil, let me take Veetgold for example. When you look at the bottom, it says Veetgold whitening oil, super whitening oil, super extra whitening oil, brightens your skin in 7 days, brightens your skin in 3 days. It treats stretch mark, green veins, red veins, black veins. It does this, it does that, anti-aging, usefulness, and all of those things they write on the labels just to make you to pick their products and pay for it. Brightening body oils are exaggerated, they are overhyped, and they do not do half of what is said that they do on the label. So when you want to buy your body oil, please reduce your expectations. Body oils basically are meant to seal in the moisture into your skin. Let's remove the people that body oils works for them as moisturizers and all of those things. Those people, their skins are very unique, but on a normal basis, these oils are just there to help to seal in moisture. After applying your body lotion, okay, you just use it to seal in the moisture into your skin to reduce the amount of hydration evaporation from your skin. Because when you apply a body lotion into your skin, because it has water, a part of the water from your skin evaporates into the air. Okay, so when you use a body oil to seal in, that is, apply a body oil after applying a body lotion, what it's going to do is to help to trap in more moisture into your skin. So instead of probably 5% of moisture hydration to evaporate from your skin, probably 2.5% is going to evaporate. The oil is going to hold back some or more into your skin, which over time is going to result to a more radiant, glowing, brighter, supple skin. And I need you to understand that the more hydrated, the more moisturized your skin is, the more brighter it seems to be. When your skin is dry, your skin is going to appear to be darker. Okay, so sometimes it is not that your body oil is doing a lot of magic on your skin and your skin is glowing. No, the science behind it is that when you use a body oil, whether brightening or not brightening, when you use a body oil to seal in the moisture, the hydration from your body lotion, your body retains more water, that is, your skin retains more water into your skin, which the ripple effect of that is that your skin is going to appear brighter because your skin now has adequate water levels in it. I hope this makes sense. So do not buy body oils with too much expectations, because when it comes to brightening on its own, it does not do much, but this is how it works. So that is why body oils are also important, to help to seal in the moisture, give you that glow. Just, you see, like my skin is glowing. Okay, let me zoom this thing up. Look at how my skin is glowing. Okay, so body oil gives this glowing effect on the skin. So, but if I just use a normal body lotion, my skin wouldn't have this glow that it has. So that is the basic work of a body oil. Do not over expect from a body oil. If they are good, they brighten your skin, but this is exactly how they work to brighten your skin. I hope this video was helpful and helps you to understand certain things about brightening body oils. If it was, let me know in the comment section. I really love to read your comments. I love to have conversations with you all in the comment section. Remember to like this video, subscribe, share this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.